Good morning, my beloved fan. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, I want to demonstrate you. Today, I want to show you a beautiful style of the snail sleeping. As you know that snail has no leg, and also snail has no wing for flying. And I have a wonder with this one because I saw a lot of snail. They climb up on this kind of plant to sleep. You know this one here? I don't know how to call this one, but the people here love to put this one as a tea. You know, when they boil the corn, they love to use this one to make the flavor of corn much better, and the taste very good. So now let's talk about the snail here. The snail here, you see this one here, and when we go deep inside here, you will see a lot of snail. Not snake, but snail. I don't know this type of snail. I don't know this kind of snail, but this one is very kind and very gentle. And you see, the live here maybe like 10 snail in one tree, in one plant. This tree, they love to stay here. And you know, some are still high in deep of this one. I cannot find it. And this one now. And let's check up right there. Oh, you see the one? Very big one, very big and gentle one here. Wow. Climb up and stay still. They cannot move to somewhere else beside here. Sometimes I see them climb up to this wall. Let's check. No. This one is no. And this one, it has one over there. There is one. That one. Yes. Oh, so beautiful. Unbelievable. Look to down right here. And again, everyone, hope my beloved fan enjoy my video, and don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to say some word that it can help my channel better and better. If I have mistake, don't feel hesitate to tell me, because your recommendation is good for me. It's a good idea for me to have to improve my video, to improve my channel better and better. Thank you so much, everyone that love to see my video, and hope you love it. And don't forget to subscribe when you haven't finished with the subscribing my channel. Thank you. See you next video. Bye bye.